Offering discounts is a time-honored way to attract new business and retain customers. LeashTime offers many informal ways to reduce the price a customer pays for visits from your sitters, but if you want to standardize your discounting policy and track the types of discounts you offer to your clients, you will want to use LeashTime's discount functionality. To review and edit the types of discounts your business offers, we use the Discounts item under the Admin pull-down menu. We can add a new discount type by clicking the Add New Discount button. After entering a label for the discount type, which will appear in menus, we express the amount of the discount as a percentage of the applicable visit charge or as a flat dollar amount. When a discount is expressed as a percentage, then every visit to which the discount is applied has its charge reduced by that percentage. However, when a dollar amount is applied instead, then the discount is the total value to be subtracted from a client's bill. So, if you grant a $25 discount to a client with a recurring schedule, then the discount will be applied to that client's visit charges until the discount is used up. So, say the client has a recurring schedule where each visit costs $10. The next two visits that are scheduled after setting the discount will consume $20 of the discount, and the third visit will consume the remaining $5. The start date, if supplied, is the first day on which the discount can be applied, and the optional end date is the last. If a duration expressed in days is supplied, it means that this discount will be applied to the visits for a given client for that many days from the first application of the discount. So, if you first apply this discount to a visit for Mrs. Smith on April 15th, LeashTime may apply visits for Mrs. Smith up until May 15th, but not after that. The May Extend checkbox covers the case where the duration and end date come into conflict. If a visit is scheduled for Mrs. Smith on May 5th, that is past the end date for this discount, but the duration field indicates she should receive the discount for 30 calendar days. If this box is checked, her visit will be discounted, but if it is not checked, then the end date will suppress it. If you offer a discount exclusively to members of a club or organization, you may be contractually required to get the client's membership ID. This checkbox indicates that such an ID is required, and whenever you choose this discount from a menu, you will be required to supply a member ID. Finally, the active checkbox controls whether or not the discount should appear in the discounts menu. There may be times of the year when you wish to suppress it, or you may want to delay offering it. We click Save Discount to create our new discount. We can apply discounts to client visits in several ways. Let's look at our client, Rudy Bastian, to see how. We type in part of his name in the search box to reach his client profile. From here, we can go to his Basic Info tab and look at his current discount. We can see here that he has no discount applied at the moment. If we select the New Client Spring Discount here, then the next time a recurring visit is scheduled for him, the discount will be applied and the first applied date label will show the date of that visit. And all succeeding visits scheduled up to 30 days after that will be discounted as well. Or we might choose the AAA member discount instead. If we do so, then we have to supply his AAA member ID at the same time, because the discount type was set up that way. For non-recurring visits, we turn to the Easy Schedule to apply discounts. When adding a visit, we click on the Show More Details button and find a discount field. Note that the client detail type we chose in the client profile is selected here by default. Just as we did in the Client Profile Basic Info tab, we can select a discount to apply to this visit. If we create copies of the visit, then the copies are discounted as well. Let's add this visit as a nighttime dog walk. A D in brackets indicates that the visit has been discounted. We can edit any existing visit and change its discount as well. Again, we click Show More Details. Below the charge, it tells us that a discount will be applied when the visit is completed. But this time, we'll remove the discount and save the visit, and the discount notation disappears. If we need to change the discount on many visits, we can select as many as we like and use the Operations or Pick Something to Do menu. We click Select All Visits and note that all of the visits are now outlined in red. Then we select Apply Discount from the Operations menu, and we can change the discount status on all of them. For any arbitrary visit, we can also apply a discount. Back in the Services tab, we can click on the magnifying glass next to a service name to open the visit editor. As we saw before in the Easy Visit Editor, we can select a discount that will be applied to this visit. Finally, in the Visits Details Editor, which we can open from the Options menu in the Client Profile Services tab, we can choose a discount to apply to all of the visits we select. It is best to use this tool very carefully, however. When you click Set Values, you are not only changing the discount, you are also changing the rate, bonus, base charge, and adjustment of all the selected visits. Thanks for using LeashTime.